Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Breaking Ties Is Divorce the Answer? I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we're going to dive into a term you might encounter during a divorce, and that is QDRO. Now, what is a QDRO? So QDRO, which is spelled QDRO, stands for Qualified Domestic Relations Order. It's a court order that specifically deals with dividing retirement assets like 401ks or pension plans. And, you're going to have it as part of your divorce settlement. Now, here's the key. Federal law prevents retirement plans from simply paying out benefits to someone other than the plan participant, which would be your spouse in this case, without a QDRO in place. So I think we kind of already understand the importance perhaps, but let's say, your spouse has a sizable retirement account and the court awards you a portion of it in the divorce settlement. Without the QDRO, you wouldn't be able to directly access those funds. So how does it work? A QDRO essentially instructs the retirement plan administrator on how to divide the benefits. So it's going to specify things like the exact amount or percentage of your spouse's benefits to be paid to you, how the benefits will be paid out as a lump sum, in installments, or rolled over into an IRA in your name, and any survivor benefits that may be affected. So, how do you get a QDRO? Your divorce attorney will typically draft the QDRO based on the court's decision regarding your spouse's retirement accounts. Then both the court and the plan administrator need to approve the QDRO for it to be valid. And we don't want to get away from talking about retirement accounts and without chatting about tax implications. So do we have any issues with a QDRO and taxes? Well, it's important that, really you're aware of potential tax implications associated with receiving retirement funds through a QDRO. They are generally considered taxable income with some exceptions. You're going to want to consult with a tax advisor for specifics related to your situation. However, if you do roll it over to an IRA, generally speaking, there aren't going to be any tax issues because it's a like-to-like account. Now, a QDRO does ensure a fair and legal division of retirement assets in divorce. It protects your rights and allows you to access the portion awarded to you. It also helps avoid complications or delays with your spouse's retirement plan. It's pretty complex, and the process itself is complex, and the document has to be written in a certain way. So I recommend you meet with an experienced divorce attorney who can guide you through the process, and make sure the QDRO is drafted correctly and represent you if there's any issues with obtaining approval from the court or the plan administrator. Divorce can involve many financial considerations, and retirement assets are a significant one. A QDRO could be a valuable tool to ensure a fair and legal division of those assets. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties Is Divorce the Answer? If you have any questions, let me know, or feel free to leave a comment. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. And with that, have yourself a great day.